Hi, my name is Chef Sid Marshall, and this is how to make homemade Alfredo sauce with mozzarella cheese. Traditionally, Alfredo sauce is made with heavy cream, Parmesan cheese, and butter. For this, we're going to replace the Parmesan cheese with mozzarella. We'll start by melting 1 tablespoon of butter in our sauté pan. Then we're going to add a cup of heavy cream and start to heat it. Then we're going to add just a pinch of garlic. Once the cream is warm, we'll incorporate in a handful of Parmesan cheese. Then we can add our cooked fettuccine noodles, toss till everything's warm, and then it's ready to serve. And there you have it, how to make a homemade Alfredo sauce with mozzarella cheese.